How to fix flat hair. That is what we're talking about today. And in this particular demonstration, I have a mannequin who has longer hair on top, and literally, look how flat this is. Now, chances are, if you have a hairstyle that is a bit longer, like so, you run the risk of it laying a lot more flat, okay, because of the weight of the hair. So if you have really, really thick hair, if you have, just tons of hair and it just sticks out all the time, then you're gonna have volume all the time. If you are looking for hair to be more flat, I've done videos about that. I mean, literally, it's just a matter of almost like patting your hair down. You see what I'm doing? I'm matting the hair with my hands, okay? Look at, I'm decreasing the volume, all right? Also, it could be the haircut, it could be the product you're using, but chances are, if you are watching this and your hair keeps falling flat in the front, and you just literally are like, I always wanted that lift right in the front. How do I get all that volume? My hair keeps like just falling flat throughout the day. I can't figure it out. You are going to love this video. What are you going to need? Well, you're going to need two things, actually three things. One, a blow dryer with the nozzle. This is the blow dryer I sell on my website. This is what I use. This is the updated version that has the magnetic attachment here, the magnetic nozzle, and it comes with a diffuser as well if you're looking to make some waves in your hair. You need this, okay? And then next, I would suggest, highly suggest Tidal Wave, because Tidal Wave is gonna really give you that volume and that texture that you need. And thirdly, a hand. That's it. You don't need any sort of crazy brushes. All you need is your hand, all right? So what do we do? First, we're gonna start with Tidal Wave. Now you can do this on damp hair if you want, and you could also use it on dry hair. So say like it's the middle of the day and you're just like, oh, my hair needs some volume. I'm gonna spray 1, 2, 3, 4 spritzes of Tidal Wave. That's it. This product is really, really pretty strong, gives a lot of volume. I'm going to lightly run it through, okay? As you can see, I just focused in the front. That's it. Right here, I've got Tidal Wave in this section. Next is where you get the blow dryer and the hand. All right, now watch. I'm gonna demonstrate this for you. I'm gonna have the blow dryer going, so just observe and watch what I'm doing. The main thing I am gonna talk about though is how I'm using my hand. Is I'm going to lock my fingers in and lift. That's it. Lock in and lift straight up. Lock, lift. Check it out. Well, I would say we've got some volume now, okay? So now we've got some volume, and there you go. All right, you can flip it around, you can sculpt it, you can shape it, but what we've done is we've literally have created that lift right in through here, okay? Now you've got all sorts of volume. You could style it. What I would do is I would stay away from the root area, right? I would just try to keep that volume, the styling more throughout the ends here, because this is the foundation, this is the base. If you want, you can go in with a little bit of locked hairspray like that. Lock it in, and it should hold up for a good amount of the day. It's a quick fix. It's a simple technique. If your hair is falling flat, try this technique. No, it's not going to damage your hair if you do it right, because you'll burn your hand first before you burn your hair, so you're going to feel you don't want to let it singe the hair, okay? If you do it properly, you'll be in good shape. So let me know if you try it, if you like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.